Now we will see 10th example. The sequence an for n greater than or equals to 0 is defined by a0 equals to 1, a1 equals to minus 4 and an plus 2 equals to minus 4 an plus 1 minus 7 an for n greater than or equals to 0. Find the number of positive integer divisors of a50 square minus a49 into a51. Okay, here I want to mention that you will find the answer of this question nowhere. I have seen on many platforms it is said that this example is a bonus question, is a wrong question, it has no answer and like that. But it has an answer and now we are going to find that. Okay, so what is given? We have given a relation, okay, and a sequence. First and second term also given. Okay, so we have to find the positive integer divisors of this term. Okay, and we know if we want to find number of positive integer divisors of any number, you will find a video related to this type of question on my channel. Okay, so if you want to find the number of positive integer of divisor of any number, then you have to convert that term in the form of its prime factors. Okay, so we will also try to express this in the form of its prime factors. Okay, so let us start. So here we have given a0 equals to 1, a1 equals to minus 4 and an plus 2 equals to minus 4 an plus 1 minus 7 an. And here we have to find positive factors of square of a50 minus a49 into a51. Okay, now we have an plus 2. Okay, so we will find a51 using this. So if we put n equals to 49, then we will get a51. So minus 4 a n plus 1 means 50 minus 7 a49. So put this value of a51 here. So equals to square of a50 minus a49 and here minus 4 a50 minus 7 a49. Okay, so this is as it is. Now multiply here, minus minus plus 4 a49 into a50, again minus minus plus 7 a49 square. Okay, now from first two terms we will take a50 common. So here it remains a50 plus 4 a49. Okay, and this is 7 a49 square as it is. Now here we will substitute this bracket also. So as we got a51 by putting n equals to 49, now we will put n equals to 48 here and we will get a50. So a50 will be minus 4 a49 minus 7 a48. Okay, but we want a50 plus 4 a49. So we will shift this term on this side. So a50 plus 4 a49 equals to minus 7 a48. Okay, so substitute here a50 into minus 7 a48 plus 7 square of a49 as it is. Now take 7 outside and this positive term first. Square of a49 minus a48 into a50. Okay, now if you observe, this term and this bracket are similar. Okay, here it is 50, here it is 49, 49, 48, 51, 50. Okay, so we will follow same steps again. Okay, so here we put a51 in this way. Okay, now we will put a50 from here. Okay, so 7 in bracket square of a49 minus a48, and here we will put minus 4a49 minus 7a48. Okay, 7 a square 49. Now multiply here again, positive 4 a48 a49 plus 7 square of a48. Now again from these two terms we will take common a49. a49, here it remains single a49 plus 4a48 plus 7 square of a48 as it is. Now for this bracket we will find a49, okay, by putting n equals to 47 here. So a49 equals to minus 4 a48 minus 7 a47. Okay, shift this on this side. So a49 plus 4 a48 equals to minus 7 a47. So instead of this bracket we will write now minus 7 a47. So 7 a49 minus 7 a47 plus 7 square of a48. Now again 7 is common there. So 7 into 7, we will write this positive term ahead. Then a47 a49. Now again if you observe, this is similar to this original one. Okay, now if we follow like this, we will get 7 to the power 49 in bracket a1 square minus a0 into a2. But here we want a2. Now we have a0 and a1, and this relation, if we put n equals to 0 here, we will get a2. So a2 will be minus 4 a1 minus 7 a0. So minus 4, a1 is again minus 4 minus 7 into 1. It means 16 minus 7 equals to 9. So a2 is 9. So substitute here, 7 to the power 49 into 16 minus 1 into 9 equals to 7 to the power 49 into 7, that is 7 to the power 50. In this way, we have found that this term equals to 7 to the power 50, and 7 is a prime number. It means we are able to express this in the form of its prime factor. Okay, and we know in my previous video, if you follow my channel regularly, then you must know that if any number can be written in the form of its prime factors, then we can easily find the number of total factors. Okay, so 50 plus 1, that is 51. Okay, so 51 number of positive divisor, 51 number of positive integer divisors will have to this number. Okay.